What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to be telling you how to style your hair and how to keep your hair as healthy and best looking as possible. Alright, so first of all, some protocols to follow with your hair is you should not wash it with any warm water. What I mean by that, don't wash it with water that's hotter than your body temperature because that will dry it out. Also when you're showering, don't uh, dry your hair with a towel. Just let it air dry because drying your hair with a towel will make it more dry, and letting it air dry will make it look healthier and just a lot better in general. So how I style my hair, I like to use a leave-in conditioner to just keep it looking shiny and good, and I don't really do too much with my hair. I don't really style it in any way. I just get a good cut from the barber and I just let it sit or add some volume with the leave-in conditioner. That way it looks very good. And I just prefer the way it looks right now. I think it looks pretty good. Your hairstyle doesn't really matter too much as long as your hair just looks healthy and thick and hydrated. You don't want to be walking around with dry hair or frizzy hair. Yeah, you just gotta make sure your hair looks good. Your hairstyle doesn't matter too much. Just gotta make sure it looks good. I like to keep some hair covered on the sides because I think it just looks a lot better than getting a fade. So, you just have to experiment and find out for yourself which hairstyle looks the best on you. And that's it for today's video. It's a little bit of a short one, but yeah, I hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.